everybody, I'm Mike Morgan with Really Virtual Consulting. So you just got your brand new Real Forklift Premium Simulator. It's been unwrapped and you're like, okay, how do we get started? Guess what? We can get you up and running within just 2 or 3 minutes. First thing you're going to want to do is take your sensor bar and you're going to stick it into the slot here. Make sure it's in nice and tight, and then you have a locking wing nut that you tighten up and plug in the cable. Now with the sensor itself, we already have it locked in a forward position. It's not critical exactly where it's at, but just try to make it so it's a level position pointing straight towards the operator's head, and that'll give you the best calibration experience. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to pull out your Oculus headset. Now what we do with the Oculus headset is we already have it pre-configured with the Leap Motion hands sensor on the front. So you're going to take that sensor and you're going to slide it into the slot like that. Now, one of the things you want to make sure is that there's no fingerprints or smudge marks on the front. If there is, just use a nice lint-free cloth to wipe it down. You're not going to need any of the other components from the Oculus. Those are not needed with our Real Forklift Premium Simulator. Once the headset's set up, what we do is you got your real control here, it's already mounted. You have a nifty little way to hang it, so that way when you're done using it, you can make sure it doesn't get knocked down or tripped on. Now what we've done with all of our Real Forklift Premiums is we color-coded all of the cables to plug into. This makes it quick and easy for anybody to get set up and start using the simulator without any instruction. Now you'll see that there's going to be one cable that's not plugged in, the blue one. That's going to be for your external monitor or TV. This is a standard HDMI interface. You can use it with any HDMI capable display device. We also have a Ethernet connection capability that you can hardwire to your network, but it also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect to the simulator via Wi-Fi as well. Once that's all done, you're going to want to make sure your power is plugged into the yellow safety cord, and grab your display cable and plug it in. And once that's done, you're going to be ready to power it on. Now, while it's booting up, one thing you're going to notice is that the steering wheel is going to go through a calibration process. You want to make sure that you're not standing near the steering wheel while it's doing this, because it is a forced motor that's designed to give you the feedback and experience when you're driving, but it can also knock you out if you're not careful. So we include a keyboard and a mouse with every Real Forklift Premium solution. And we've already hooked those up and configured them as well, so that way you don't have to do any work other than just taking it out and setting it up.